not my occupation. Actually, I have also job. When I get time, then I try to practice. When I don't get time, then I ignore. Okay, I will do practice tomorrow. But before going to bed, I practice on myself, with myself. Okay,
But you know, some
that's
of
what
our
I do
things
in private.
we can get money easily from YouTube. No, because you know, our genre is different, and vlogging, dancing, cooking, it's a different thing. Mostly people enjoy vlogging, you know, traveling, travel vlog. These kind of vlogs they always enjoy. But if I talk about a conversation video, some of are watching these kind of videos because youth always want entertainment.
You might have started recording.
Because you know, before starting the conversation, if someone is not ready for recording, we should always take permission.
Okay, okay.
Because everyone is not feeling
But
comfortable, we should always
mm,
ask.
but I am so comfortable. Okay, I let my record the video. I don't have any kind of problem because I'm also YouTuber too. Okay.
But you know, all time if we are doing video conversations, sometimes it is very, you know, normal. We are not ready for recording.
You will alive a long time because some minute ago I was watching your video and nowadays you are making a good thumbnail. How did you learn it? Please tell me something. I want to grow.
I will
I
talk
also I
later
want to
after
grow.
the conversation. I will talk later after the conversation. Okay?
Okay,
So
great, great.
how is the weather in your side?
Yeah, weather is bone chilly cold my side and I am shivering. You can see I am sitting in my room and I'm using my heater. Okay.
Hmm.
So
You are
just
living in Kuwait? Are you living in Kuwait?
yes, I am in the Kuwait.
Hmm.
Okay.
What is the
So
temperature? Because it's a fab
temperature
month, huh?
right now temperature is 11 degrees Celsius now.
11 degree.
Yeah, and it is afternoon time. It is 12:30. 12:30, and temperature is 11 degrees Celsius.
Hmm.
Okay, so it is
Hmm.
so difficult. Winter season,
Hmm.
taking bath, cooking food, washing clothes, um, managing work. It is so difficult. Hardly I get up in the morning time. Okay, hardly I start work. Okay, hardly I make breakfast. Then I take breakfast. Hardly. It is so difficult.
Hmm.
Mm.
Hmm.
And water is
And
so
how is your
cold
going
because
job?
it is strictly outside.
How is your job going on? Because you are
Yes,
doing job, I think you are training some pigeons.
yes, yeah, Alhamdulillah. I am trainer of the pigeon and I train the pigeon. So my work is going on well. There is no doubt. Okay.
Hmm.
So my my owner has been ill for 2 days. So he has not been coming for 2 days. So I have time to I try to take session lot and lot. I want to practice more and more. Okay.
I'm meeting after a long time and I'm observing like you are improving. Do you also observe like you are, you know, improving day by day? Because in the first session, it was different. But now I'm feeling different.
Yeah, really. When I had conversation first time with you, that time I was not able to speak much, but right now I am able to speak much. And
Hmm.
earlier, because just because of practice, I did not leave my practice, and I try to practice every single day. I don't want to leave my practice.
Why people shy like they are speaking in English? Sometimes they feel, okay, if I am speaking incorrect English, what people will say? Do you think this kind of mindset is not good for all the learners?
See, nowadays, who are learning English, I have observed that who have created YouTube channel, they just take session, they just upload video on their channel, and they are getting nothing from the YouTube. That's why they are under the confident. They are not improving. They are, you can say, losing their hope. Okay, that's
Hmm.
why. But we are not here to make money. We are here to first improve our English. Okay,
Hmm.
first we
Hmm.
should improve our English. After that, do whatever you want to do in your life. Okay,
Hmm.
don't
Hmm.
have to run after money. First, we have to run after skills.
Hmm. Because
All.
every time you are doing conversation, you are inculcating, new skills, and you are day by day improving your skills. And if I talk about like earnings from YouTube, it's a difficult task for everyone. First of all,
Mm,
it's a
right.
educational thing. And on the YouTube, if you are giving like some stuff, spicy stuff, I can say vlogging, dance, some other thing, then you can
Mm-hmm.
get subscribers. But yes, our channel is different from others' channel, so sometimes it can take time.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes. One my friend, he lives in Haryana. Okay, earlier he was uploading video conversation video. He was uploading conversation video on his channel, but due to some reason he did not get much subscriber and viewer. Okay, then he has started uploading blog video, and now he has
Hmm.
a 5,000 subscriber and he is earning money. He told me earlier, Israel, now I am happy. Okay,
Hmm.
I'm not going to improve my English, doesn't matter. But just I want to earn money anyhow. If you have money, then you can survive your life very luxurious. If you don't have money, your surviving life it is very, very problems. Okay.
Hmm.
Then I said, yeah, okay, whatever.
Never fully depend on YouTube, because sometimes some hackers can delete your account, and YouTube also can take, sometimes they can take action because some policies are very strict right now. So you
Hmm.
should do some other works for your livelihood. You should not always depend on YouTube for your earnings.
Yeah, really, really. Yeah, it happened with me. Yesterday, day before yesterday, I uploaded one video and someone commented me. Then I went to reply. Okay, then I was not able to reply.
Yes, because in
So,
2025 there are some new rules on why
yeah, it is
not
sometimes
only
it is so
channel
difficult.
are getting strikes also. If you are taking some clips, you are copying
Mm,
some clips. This time,
yeah.
YouTube policy is very strict. And if you have, make your mind, I will, create some videos and after that I will get money. No, it will take time. And like our channel is a fully, I can say, educational channel. Definitely, it will take so many years.
Mm-hmm. Right, right. Really, really. We have first of all we have passion. Okay,
Mhm.
definitely if we have patience, so we will go ahead
And
and
it's
really
doesn't
we
fully
will.
depend on YouTube earnings. You should do side work also. I can say YouTube is a side work, and you should always opt, your main occupation.
Yeah, really, YouTube is not my occupation. Actually, I
Yeah.
have also job. When I get time, then I try to practice. When I don't get time, then I ignore. Okay, I will do practice tomorrow. But before going to bed, I practice on your myself with myself. Okay,
Hmm. But some of
whatever
our
I do
things
in private.
we can get money easily from YouTube. No, because our genre is different, and vlogging, dancing, cooking, it's a different thing. Mostly people enjoy
Mhm.
vlogging, traveling, travel vlog. These kind of vlogs they always enjoy. But if I talk about like conversation video, some of are watching these kind of videos because youth always want entertainment. They
Mm-hmm.
don't
Right,
want
right.
these kind of educational things.
And we also want to watch entertainment like videos. Sometimes I also watch a movies and Kapil Sharma show, you know
Yes, yes.
motivational
Same
video.
same mindset our viewers have, because mostly they want entertainment stuff.
Hmm. Yeah, who are learning English only they watch. Okay.
Yes, who have this kind of desire, okay, I should learn English, I should start my channel of spoken English. They will watch these stuff. All
Hmm.
will not like our stuff.
Yeah, yeah. So tell me how you're going on your YouTube channel.
My channel is going on very good. I'm happy. And every day I'm
Okay.
doing conversation, so many topics. Okay, tell me like you are living here alone without your family. Sometimes you are
Mhm.
feeling stress or anxiety.
Yeah, sometimes I fail. Okay.
Hmm.
Sometimes
Hmm.
I fail. So at that time, what I do, I try to talk with my wife.
Hmm.
Okay. At that time, when I talk with my wife and children, at that time I feel I'm not alone. Okay. So
Hmm.
I try to talk with my children and family, we can say.
Because it's a human tendency. Sometimes they are feeling very low without their family. They are thinking, why I'm here? Just to,
Yeah, really,
earn
you can
some
say
amount of money.
if
Hmm.
I rich person, so I wouldn't be here. If I had money, so I wouldn't be in Kuwait.
Hmm.
So just because of
Yes.
money, I am here to make money, to earn money,
Hmm.
and I am sacrifice. You can say I'm sacrifice, and I sacrifice mm,
Only
for
making
my family.
calls, then you reduce your stress problem, or you are watching some, comedy videos, some other thing, just reducing your
Yeah,
stress level.
most of the time, I watch Kapil Sharma show.
Hmm.
Okay, actually, he makes me so happy when you show. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
so I try to watch.
So,
So I try to watch most of the time.
okay, when you are feeling anxiety, that time you are making calls to your family members, and after that you are watching some comedy, from
Hmm. Yeah.
Sharma show. Yes.
And even though I try to talk with a co-learner, when I talk as stranger people, then I feel like very happy. Then
Why?
I understand, then I understand, he just like us, he like me, he's my friend, and she's my friend.
Okay, you are believing that he or she is your friend.
Yeah.
Hmm. Yes, if you are talking every day with
Now,
Kola, you can share your thoughts, everyday routine.
yeah, really. I am sharing, whatever I do, I'm sharing, how can say, how can I happy, how can I be happy, I'm sharing. Okay, so you are also sharing your thought.
Hmm. Hmm. Because in the past days, people were talking with each other, but nowadays they want to live reserve. They don't talk to
Mm,
live
yeah.
persons. Hmm.
Yeah, before going to start English journey, I was just totally introvert person.
Hmm.
Okay. So when I started talking to people, so I have become extrovert person. And when I try to talk, 3%, 4%, then sometimes I have headache. I don't know what happened. Do you
You
have
should
also headache?
you should take gap half an hour or 20 minutes, because back to back, if you are doing conversation, it's not good.
Yeah. See, earlier I used to sleep at night, 11:30 and 12:30. Okay, 12.
Hmm.
And nowadays, I started sleeping 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock at night.
Because when we are doing video conversation, we are watching each other's face. We are not
Hmm.
blinking our eye. It's not good. We should always take a blink when we are
Hmm.
doing video conversation. Continuously
Yes.
watching it can give us tiredness.
Hmm. Then I'm thinking that why it is happening only with me. There are lots of
Not
YouTubers, there are
only with
lots of,
you, everyone is facing, but yes, you should take some gap, and it can be different for other person. Someone is taking 15 minutes, someone is taking 30 minutes. It all's up to you. If you want 30
okay.
minutes break, you should take. And after that, you should do second conversation.
Yeah, really, I take gap. Okay, one
Hmm.
hour, 2 hour, and you can say I have been uh, 3 days. You can say I have not been taking session for 3 days.
Hmm.
Okay, that's because of
And,
headache.
okay, if
Just
you
because of
take
headache.
headache, then you should avoid.
Yeah, before going to take any session, then I thought, I'm not able to take session. I'm not able to speak. Okay, I don't know why.
Because like you are taking 3 days gap. This is the reason. Okay, if you
Hmm.
are really hungry for this language, you should take only 2 sessions,
Two
video session.
session in a day.
Yes,
So
because
tell
if
me, how many
some
session
person
do you
are
take?
taking. Mostly, I'm doing 2 sessions, but sometimes I'm taking 3 sessions. Yes.
Okay, okay. Because I think you must be
My
uploading video
video,
every day.
because in one go I am doing 2 sessions, and after that I'm uploading one by one. Sometimes video clarity is not good, so
Hmm.
I always do 2 conversations.
Hmm. Yeah, it is good. So you also upload, we can say short video.
Hmm. I
Short
upload.
video and long video.
Long video as well as short video I upload on my channel.
Okay, so you must be uploading two videos in a day.
I am uploading only one long video. If I'm getting time for short video, then I'm uploading two or three short videos
Okay,
daily on
sometimes you
basis.
upload when you according your time. You upload when you get time. Then you upload. Otherwise, you don't upload.
Yes, and I'm always try to upload everyday conversation. But yes, I'm also a human. Sometimes I'm facing some, household chores, some other works. That time I'm not uploading my video.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I can understand. I can understand.
It's
You're
natural.
home, you're
Natural.
traveling. You must have lots of work. Okay.